Hi, my channel just hit 2,000 subscribers. On August 2020, I started my channel and posted my first video. It took me 4 months to reach the 1,000 subscriber mark. Then, through your help and your support by subscribing, I was able to hit 2,000 subscribers on December 17. I'm amazed at the growth of my channel, and it's all because of you, by helping me through subscribing, sharing, and liking my videos. If you're new to my channel, please browse around my videos. Here I post videos on law school advice, legal commentaries, and once in a while a moto vlog. If you find any video interesting, please like and share. It will help my channel grow. To my current and new subscribers, there's a bell right down there. Please click it. It will notify you every time I post a new video. Again, thank you for all the support. Have a great day, and remember, it's not what you know, it's what they don't know.